Trying to use his legs.
Nice.
Short point is there for King Evans.
Nice one. Sige, sige.
And
Tuloy mo lang, sige. Sige. Nice one. Huwag mo tigilan. Sige, Lawrence. Armbar, armbar, armbar. Sige, wag mo bitaw.
Submission finish from King Evans. Gotta check there. Okay lang siya? Okay lang? Good job, submission finish there from King Evans. And your winner, armbar in the red corner, King Evans.